Hold on. What you doing there, J-Lo?
Oh, I'm about to post the GX for sale. So I'm trying to spiffy it up a little bit. Just kidding, I'm not selling this. Nobody asked me. I just think that, you know, because it's so pretty and all, I should paint all the white spots on the sliders. Look at that. I can get another $5 grand out of it. And you see the rust? See the rust?
Yeah, yeah.
So I don't know if you know this, but Duplicolor engine enamel with ceramic does nothing for rust. So I'm not doing myself any favors. I'm just
Good morning, YouTube. What am I gonna say? I don't know. It's really nasty today. It's like super muggy. I forgot to lock the 80. Matt Damon. Yeah, it is like super muggy today. But I got my coffee. It's early in the morning, and we're gonna go ahead and try to kick butt today. So I'm just gonna bring you guys with me today. We'll see what happens. I don't know if this is gonna be a lengthy video or a short video, but by now you probably know. Just had a quick little powwow with J-Lo. I gotta get this Tacoma back on the lift. I'll let y'all know what I've been doing with this thing and why it's been a massive headache for the past 2 weeks. Bad Tacoma.
Heard me what? Talking to Zach, cause he's back.
Zach's back?
Yeah.
When did he leave?
Well, he got put in an insane asylum because he became a Lego maniac, but he's back now. So Zach is back.
Zach is back. Hey Joe, did you know Zach is back?
I didn't know Zach left.
But he's back?
Well,
That's good.
it's like the Mac. There's all those songs about Return of the Mac. Where did the Mac go? But the Mac is back. Same with Zach. Zach is back. No one knows
Okay,
where
I
he
literally
went.
have no idea what's going on.
The Mac returning. The Mac Daddy.
Ah.
Return of the Mac. Return of the Mac. That's the only one I can remember.
Don't stop.
Well, it was a small Mac. It wasn't a big Mac. But it's back.
This is what I have to deal with every day.
I think he went
Every
to
day.
France.
All day.
Because it
All
was
day.
the big Mac.
Oh my God. So what I have here on my lift today is a 2002 Toyota Tacoma with a 5VZ. It's a 3.0 V6, and it had a P0172 in it, which is a rich code. And this thing, in my head, I was thinking, oh, it's got a fuel injector issue, and because the fuel is leaking just a little bit into one of the cylinders, it's giving it just enough of a rich mixture that's going to back it out. And it was a okay, and then try to get a flashlight in here for you guys. I undid the exhaust because at the beginning of this whole debacle, at the beginning of this whole debacle, me and J-Lo looked at each other when we first test drove this thing, and we both instantly went straight to our heads, clogged exhaust. This feels like a clogged exhaust. So long story short, we measured it, it wasn't that hot, so I was like, no, can't be the exhaust. It's still flowing. We go to the back of it and we'll put our hands on the back of the exhaust. We have another 5VZ, it felt about the same, but no. There is something wrong with that exhaust system that is impeding flow so bad that this thing is losing a ton of power. All the power in the world. But now I'm gonna bolt up the exhaust because we got way better numbers with the exhaust disconnected on the fuel trim, and with the exhaust connected back up, I want to see the numbers go back to bad again, because if they do, then we know for a fact 100% it's the exhaust. I finally get my organizer back.
Well, until I work on the 80 motor again. I'm just kidding.
Here.
Hey.
Hold on, here.
Check it out, Pablo. Return of the Mac.
Oh,
Return of the Mac.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Although, that whole little conversation I had with Michael about my little organization tray, I just threw away the old exhaust bolts. So now I gotta go find new ones. I guess I go dig in the trash. Now! I don't want to dig in the trash. Alright, now that the exhaust is put back on, let's see how bad this thing drives.
Whoa. Sorry about that. How many of you guys came from the TikTok page? We're curious.
Just comment down below, and if you came from TikTok,
thanks.
appreciate it.
It's gonna get cooler on here on the YouTube page though. This is our private road.
Yeah, that problem's back. I'm like on the road. So while I wait for my job to get sold on this guy, we can go see what Michael's doing. So Michael's doing a bumper install on a TRD Pro 3rd generation Tacoma, which is, love it. But it is lunchtime, so I'm gonna go eat. So we got Skipster on the lift. We need to go ahead and change its oil. And then we need to talk about him for a little bit, just a little bit. I think I'd leave without you guys. I don't know how else to make an oil change interesting. Wait, oh, I didn't lock it. Joey thinks he's so clever. Or get him back on this one. We'll never know. Yeah, I bought a turbo for Skippy, and it is from G Turbo. Supposedly, so the factory turbo sits at like 10 psi, and this one naturally sits at 18 psi, and is rated upwards towards 28 psi. We're gonna tune it for about 20 to maybe 25 psi. But two important things that I absolutely have to do before I can go ahead and slap that turbo in there is I gotta get an intercooler in a Skippy, and I gotta redo the exhaust, because at this point right now, if I put this turbo on here, the effective range that I wanna get, I don't think can be achieved. At the same time, we need to go ahead and put a boost gauge in it, and we need to go ahead and do an EGT sensor so we can measure our exhaust gases when we're tuning the engine with a new turbo. But before we can do any of that, we need to do a timing belt on it. I'm sure the one that's on it is still fine, but I will feel so much better if a new timing belt is on that engine. And at the same time, we need to do motor mounts, and we need to do an intake manifold gaskets, and we need to do a oil catch can on it. So it's been almost a year since I've bought the HDJ, and how has it been? Do I still love it? Am I still excited for it? Do I still want to keep it? Do I want to get rid of it? And to make a very, very long, complicated answer short is, it's not going anywhere. Not anytime soon. when I bought Skippy, I currently was owning a 2010 Tacoma that I absolutely loved, and well, 2 months in and owning this thing, I started getting ready to sell the Tacoma.
I see it now. We have problems, guys. It's gonna be really hard to go back to the Tacoma from time to time. I might have to sell it.
I mean, can you blame me? Look at it. Because one of the main reasons why I bought the thing is that I wanted to share the experience of putting it and building it the way I wanted to with you guys. Because when I had the Tacoma, we weren't a thing. And now we are. And I just want to share that experience because I think it'd be a lot of fun. But other than that, everybody's packed up and gone home. I should probably do the same thing. Go see my wife and my kids. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it as always, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend, although you guys will be seeing this Saturday morning, and by then, I guess, good morning? Anyways, enjoy your weekend. I am done. I am out of here. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to us. And, you know, if you have a project that you're working on, comment down below. I want to hear about it. I want to know what you guys are working on because I think that would be so cool. But anyways, I am out of here. Thank you all so much.